pattern cutting, half collar block pattern making. Now we are going to making collar final cutting pattern making. Now here make collar band final cutting pattern, collar band final cutting pattern drawing. Same as before I make collar block band block pattern. Make cutting collar cutting pattern, collar band cutting pattern. Added 3/8 seam allowance on collar band block outline. This and a final cutting pattern. Collar band final cutting pattern. Cut 2 piece. Added 3/8 seam allowance on collar band outline. This and a final cutting collar cutting pattern. Women's wear basic pattern. Shirt size M. Collar band pattern cutting pattern making, collar band cutting pattern making. Women's wear basic pattern shirt size M. Now here make collar final cutting pattern, shirt collar final cutting pattern. Added 3/8 seam allowance outside of shirt block collar. Make collar cutting pattern. Cut the cutting collar pattern, final cutting collar pattern. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment on this video. Shirt collar pattern cutting finish up. Now we are going to making sleeve and cuff. Women's wear basic pattern shirt sleeve pattern. Make draw horizontal line, measure, locate at bust measurement, a quarter of bust measurement, 9 inch. Drawing a vertical line downward, locate at bust paying, bust, a chain of bust, 3.5 inch. This is slip, this neck, slip cap height, and our cap baseline, bicep baseline. Drawing horizontal a line between slip cap height and slip center. Drawing a triangle line between slip head point and slip under C bicep width. Mark a middle of slip head 9 3/4 halves 4 3/8 inch upward. Mark a point. Make back slip armor line. Drawing a curved line between slip head point and slip head middle point. Drawing a curved line between slip underarm and slip head middle line. This and a back slip